Okay. I'm the director here. I'm gonna make a decision.
No! Exactly the shit that I'm talking about!
I didn't want to make a film about questions. And I hate all this stuff. Oh, it's not about answers, it's about the right questions. Blah, blah, blah.
May all beings be happy.
The more correct way to think about human happiness is the right kind of relationships.
Most people who avoid commitment are really avoiding conflict.
A man must train his mind like an elephant tamer tames an elephant.
This film started as a graphic design project 6 years ago.
1, 2.
And somehow, it all became about me.
I'm just trying to ask the questions that I think you would ask if you were standing
crazy.
around.
Another person crazy. Me, it's different because I have an immediate experience of me.
Trying to chase after something more meaningful turned out to be a big pain in the ass. I spent the past 6 years of my life working on this thing that says I'm an asshole.